Welcome back to today's daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday the 3rd of February. Looking at cable, where we had the sharp move to the upside, two strong bull candles in a row, Thursday, Friday, and then what we see today is a complete unwind of that move on Friday. Sharp retracement, over 100 pips down on the day now, back from that 23.6% fib level of the big rally. Now, what does this tell us? Well, it just tells us that we had got those converging trend lines. I don't really think those converging trend lines are doing anything for changing any sort of outlook. I just think it's playing out as part of what we see as cable, is that you do get these sort of little runs higher, but then you get the retracement back, and the market just completely cannot find any sort of traction in a trend. And what we've seen is consistently, I think through January, you've seen mixed signals. You get these little runs higher, little runs lower, and essentially no overall real move. Now, we do, I think, still have this basis of support around the old breakout, 30 figure. 29 to 30 figure, I think, is a nice band of support now. However, equally, 23.6% fib seemingly is becoming the basis of resistance. Certainly has done throughout the last month. And again, is capping the upside. So you're sort of oscillating between 38.2% fib, 23.6% fib. The levels are not exact and not to the pip, but still, essentially, that is the sort of area that we're trading in. Lacking any real decisive trading. You do have the slight positive bias, given the fact that RSI sort of holding mid-40s, pushing up to 60. MACD lines just edging slightly higher. Stochastics are pulling higher as well. So they're very slight positive bias, but given the fact that we've just retreated again and lacking any real decisive move or trend higher again, back 100 pips on the day, suggests that sort of you're now back into the realms of looking for the next support to come in, probably around the 30 big figure again. So given the fact that we've broken completely unwound and we're breaking back underneath supports, 3140 was sort of 3140, 3150 area was a basis of support. That's completely been paid no attention whatsoever. You're now breaking below it. Again, another breakout around 30 big figure, 31 big figure to 3010. Again, you're sort of breaking underneath that level. So it's sort of beginning to find traction again in a corrective move, lacking real sort of support. But then essentially, once more, we'd be looking for the next basis of support around 30 big figure once more. And it seems as though we're sort of in retreat back towards that sort of area again. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.